Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into the world of budget smartphones with the iPhone 17e, Apple's latest affordable offering. Now, I know what you might be thinking: why bother with a cheap iPhone when you can get the iPhone 17 for a bit more? Well, let me tell you, the 17e is a hidden gem that deserves more attention. First things first, the iPhone 17e is a budget-friendly option, coming in at $599/$599, which is a steal compared to its pricier sibling, the iPhone 17, at $799/$799. But what makes it truly stand out is the addition of MagSafe, a feature that was notably absent from the iPhone 16e. MagSafe is a game-changer, allowing you to attach wireless chargers and accessories magnetically, making charging and using your phone a breeze. Now, I know what you're thinking: why is this so exciting? Well, it's not just about convenience. MagSafe opens up a world of possibilities, from vertical stands to fun accessories like tripods and neck mounts. And let's not forget the faster wireless charging, up to 15W, which is a significant upgrade over the old 7.5W. But it's not just about MagSafe. The iPhone 17e also boasts doubled storage, going from 128GB to 256GB. This is a huge deal for app hoarders and serial snappers like me. With more storage, you can keep your files and memories safe for longer. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, why not just get the iPhone 16e? Well, the 16e is still a great option, but it lacks the soft pink color and the added perks of MagSafe and doubled storage. And if you're considering the iPhone 17, there are a few things to keep in mind. The 17 has a better screen, a slightly bigger size, and a more versatile camera with 2 lenses. It also features the dynamic island, a unique feature that changes based on your activities. But let's not forget the iPhone 17e's impressive screen, excellent performance, and safe color options. It's a stellar mobile for the price, with loads of power and features packed into an attractive and familiar iPhone design. So, should you buy the iPhone 17e? In my opinion, it's a no-brainer for those seeking a balance of performance and affordability. With its improved storage, MagSafe support, and attractive price point, the iPhone 17e is a brilliant choice for anyone looking to upgrade their smartphone without breaking the bank. So, what do you think? Is the iPhone 17e the budget smartphone you've been waiting for? Let me know in the comments below.